Great job. Give yourselves a round of applause. And the next phase of Aura Magazine is... Oh. Okay, so we have 2 winners. Dahil ito sa tindi ng chemistry nila. The winners are... Models Raya and Marcus.
Congrats!
Imagine, nanalo pa kayo. Congrats!
Please come to the center and then we'll take another set of photos for the cover.
Congrats!
Thank you everyone for your effort. You may go to the side now.
Ayan, wala third winner.
Wala eh.
Congrats, Michaela. Congrats!
What? Bakit sila? Dapat akong nanalo ah. Di ba pinag-usapan na natin to, Cassandra?
What are you saying, Zeke? Don't be a sore loser.
Zeke, please go to the side, bro. All right. Yeah, I want you to pose. I want to see that passion again. Let's shoot.
Dami niyan ah. Paldo na naman.
Sino ka?
Ma'am, sir, gusto ko lang makipag-usap sa inyo. May mga konting katanungan lang ho ako.
Diyan ka lang.
Hindi, sir. Pag-usapan ho
Atras!
Mag-usap lang ho tayo.
Doon ka! Atras!
Sir, kailangan...
Matras ka sabi pa! Putukan kita! Tara na, dali!
Ano nangyari?
Kabulin natin sila, bilis!
There you go. One more. Wow. There you go. There. One more. One more. Yes. Look at him. Yes. I love that. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. There you go. Yes. More.